Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So I was going to get ready, but then I just got this parcel in, so I thought we'll open it up together. I was actually... My nails are fine. They're fine. My plan today is to go to Zita's Focaccia. So it's like a new-ish sandwich place. It's been open for a few months now, so I thought I'd go check it out. But first, let's see what's in here. So it's a pair of New Balance, and it is the Warp Runner. So I don't have a pair of these. This is a newer silhouette for the brand. Pretty sure it came out last year. It is surprisingly lightweight. I expected it to be heavier for some reason just because it looks very chunky. The midsole is very, very thick. This is definitely more so a lifestyle sneaker, and it does look very contemporary. Is that the right word? So I'm curious to see what these feel like on, because I don't have this silhouette at all. And honestly, I never thought of getting a pair just because I already have my New Balance favorites. So I love the 990 V3s. The 2002 Rs are sort of my everyday beaters, and then recently it is the 1906. So thank you, New Balance, for sending these to me. I really appreciate it, and I will wear them and let you guys know my thoughts over, I don't know, the next few vlogs or so, and let you know like if I like them, how they feel like on feet. But I got these in my true to size, which is a men's US 6, and I believe this is the new colorway that dropped 2 days ago. There are a few colorways of these out there. The first one is sort of this creamy color like I mentioned before, but this is sort of nice. You can't go wrong with a gray pair of sneaker. You can see that the midsole is sort of in this like yellow age sort of a look that matches the laces. It doesn't come with any spare laces, I don't think. And I'm not sure how much these retail for, but yeah, they are surprisingly lightweight for how chunky they look. So I'm very curious to see what they feel like on feet. Anyway, I was actually gonna get changed, so let me get changed quickly. I'll show you guys my outfit. I feel like the lighting is very warm, so if everything looks a bit orangey, I guess I'll try and color correct it, but I don't know how much I can do. But anyway, I can't decide if I should wear this shirt. So this one is from Story MFG. It is a cotton linen blend, so it's perfect for the warm weather. And I love just all the little graphics on here. And this is a little crochet apple. There's also a bit of print on the back here. And I can't decide if I should wear this or this Prada shirt. I love the men's Prada shirts. I feel like they do the best cuts. So this one here, as you guys can see, is in blue, and this was from quite a few seasons ago. I can't remember what size this is in, but it's very lightweight and it's perfect for warmer days when you kind of still want to look put together instead of just wearing like this singlet. So let me show you guys what it looks like from afar. It's kind of a nice fit. I feel like it goes well with my Zara Scott. I've been wearing this so much, like I said in my previous vlog, and I wish I got this in more colors. I don't think they make them anymore, but I think it fits really well. It's super versatile, and because it's like a Scott, it's got like a little shorts in there. And then this tank top is just from Uniqlo. It's the one with the bra attached, and I feel like it's super comfortable, and they have this in heaps of colors, so I might pick up more. And then with my sneakers, I thought we could do a little wear test of the Warp Runners, and I tried them on quickly before. They definitely fit true to size, and they are very lightweight, and they feel pretty good. Hold on, let me put on my sneakers so I can talk. But yeah, they feel pretty comfortable on feet. Like the midsole is quite thick, so it definitely gives you some height. Like I feel a little bit taller already. So I don't know, I feel like this kind of looks good as an outfit. Let me just do my laces up. But yeah guys, I am so excited to try these focaccias. So I've heard some good things about this place, and I'm just very curious. So today I woke up feeling like having sandwiches, so I thought I might go there. Hopefully it's not too busy when I get there, because they do open at 12 o'clock. It is now 1:16, so I'm hoping I miss the lunch crowd. Let me show you guys the shoes on. This is some professional sneaker on feet for you guys. So far, I'm really liking how they feel like on feet. I don't know what they use for the midsole. Let me quickly look up the New Balance website so I can see like some product details. So it says it has the fuel cell foam, delivers a propulsive. Am I saying that weird? Why does that sound weird? Propulsive feel to help drive you forward. Embroidered end logo, medial stability post, sculpted wavy outsole thread pattern, 400 grams. So I feel like the lightweightness is probably a selling point because they did write the weight on the actual sneaker, and that's definitely the first thing that I noticed when I picked them out of the box. And also I have them on feet and they feel really nice. Like it's a lot more comfortable than I thought it would be for some reason. I think because the midsole is so thick and it looks so solid, I thought it might be a little bit stiff when you have them on feet, but it actually feels quite nice. So let's do a quick wear test because I'm going to be walking to this sandwich place, so it might be a little bit of a walk. So I ended up getting the Luigi at Zita's, and that one had prosciutto, I think a truffle cheese, mushroom cream, and rocket. I was going to say focaccia, obviously it's served in a focaccia, so I'm pretty sure they make their focaccia in-house. I thought overall it was okay. They had a few other sandwiches that looked really interesting as well. There's one with like octopus and andouille, and then also what's the other one with mortadella. Everything looked interesting and I decided to go for the Luigi just because like the mushroom cream and the prosciutto, that sounded good to me. Overall, I enjoyed it. I feel like I won't be rushing back to go there again, but it was not bad. So if you're in like South Yarra, I would recommend checking it out. I know you're probably wondering, why am I wearing the same thing again? And let me tell you why. It's because I'm gonna meet Lawrence again to shoot, because the last time we went to shoot, it didn't really work out, and the sneakers that I was actually trying to shoot were the Zhaun New Balance 2002 Arc Gore-Tex. And you know, I went to that rain room thing and it didn't work out, so now I'm gonna try again, and I pretty much just need some on-feet shorts, so hopefully it works out. Like I have an idea, but again, I don't know whether I can make it happen, but it's not gonna be in that rain room again because that was not it, even though that would have been very, very cool because it was raining and it makes sense because it's a pair of Gore-Tex sneakers. But I think we're just gonna shoot outdoors today, so I'm actually gonna be meeting him shortly, which, let me do up the laces for these because this is what I'm going to be wearing on feet today. And yeah, the reason why I'm wearing the same outfit is because this is the outfit that I wanted to wear with these sneakers. I just wanted like an all black fit, and I feel like, I don't know, is this a look? I don't even know. So yeah, I'm just waiting for Lawrence to come pick me up. So let me just do the laces. Sorry, I'm just seeing how it's laced on the other side so that I can do it the same, because the way that they've laced it is different to how I would usually lace my sneakers. Anyway, Lawrence and I are gonna go check out this new Japanese cafe in Brunswick. So they serve onigiri, which I really love. I usually go to 279, but it's been a minute since I've been there, and for some reason I always crave onigiri. I just love it. And it seems so simple. It's just rice with like a bit of filling, but I really, really love it. And it seems like quite a nice day today. So I'm just looking out my window. So yeah, I'm very excited. So we're gonna get some food to eat, and then we're gonna try get these on-feet photos of these sneakers. So hopefully it works out well, and then I have to finish editing my actual review video on these so that I can get them out as soon as possible. So yeah, anyway, let me check if he's messaged me. Not yet, I think he's driving. So let me just get my things together, and I need to remember to bring a spare battery because I was filming this morning and the battery is dying on this camera already. So let me get everything together and we'll head out. Finally made it to Chuka's, and I'm with Lawrence, and it took us ages to look for a parking spot. Well, it took Lawrence. ages to look for a parking spot, but we made it and I'm so hungry. So we've already ordered some fruit, so I'm very excited to show you guys. But I got a strawberry ice matcha. This is the teishoku set, so it comes with a few small little dishes, 3 different little salads, and you also get to pick 2 onigiri of your choice. So I went with the oyako one, which is salmon roe and salmon, and then also the wakame. It comes with miso soup, and of course we had to get additional onigiris, so we got the spam one as well as a tuna one. Why am I out here trying to eat so many onigiris? Nobody knows. And they also had these cute little onigiri shaped cookies and this cat one as well, which I preferred over the other one. For dessert, we went to Luther's, which is just a 2-minute walk from Chuka, and I was already pretty full, so I thought I'll just get 1 scoop. But who am I trying to fool? Because look at all these flavors they have. I was told that the banoffee pie and brown butter cheesecake are their most popular flavors. All the flavors look so good, but I ended up going with the blueberry cheesecake, and underneath is brown butter cheesecake. Ah! It's tripping. I suddenly remembered that one of the things that I had to do today is go to McDonald's because we finally have the Kerwin Frost McDonald's collab, and I think it came out here yesterday, so obviously I'm out here trying to collect those little nugget collectibles, and I'm not even hungry, but I'm just gonna get some McDonald's. And of course when I'm hungry. Lawrence is always hungry, so of course when I suggested that I really want to go to McDonald's, he was like, let's go. So they have the Kerwin Frost box, and I think you either pick a Big Mac meal or chicken McNuggets meal, which is what I want. My Kerwin Frost box is here, and oh, do you think I can ask them just for like an empty box?
Oh yeah, you can.
To take home?
Yeah,
is that weird?
like a flat one?
Yeah, like the one that hasn't been used. I'm so strange, guys. This is how you know I just like collecting stuff that I don't need.
This is my
oh, sorry. So I got the 10-piece nugget set, and it comes in this box, which is super, super cute. Hopefully you guys can hear me. So there's a mic over here, but that's actually connected to Lawrence's camera.
I can send you the sound file.
Okay, so he will send me the sound file, so it will be very nice and clear. But first of all, this packaging is so, so cute. And then in here, there should be a little collectible. So it comes in a little box like this. How cute does it look? I don't know which one I want. Let me show you guys the options over here. If I had to pick, I kind of want...
I want Uptown more.
Maybe Kerwin Frost. I don't know. A brick. This guy over here. That looks pretty funny. I don't know. Whichever one I get, I'll be happy. Are we opening it?
Yeah, let's. Away from camera. 3, 2, 1.
Can you see? Jajang. Oh wait, it's wrapped in paper. Jajang. And then in here. Wait, I have a feeling. Oh. It's my Kerwin Frost.
Bobblehead?
Oh no, I got the one you wanted. I hope we didn't get the same one. So the one I got is Uptown Mo, which is the one that Lawrence wanted. And Lawrence got Don Bernice, which is pretty cute. And they are sort of detachable. Like you can take off their little hat and just have this little bit of nugget. And that's just like their outfit. I think that's super, super cute. That concludes my Kerwin Frost box unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm just gonna enjoy my 10-piece nugget set. Look at this. It's been a very, very long time since I last had McDonald's. And I got a feeling I'm gonna keep coming back because I want to collect all of them. I have problems, guys. And I got sweet and sour sauce to go with my nuggets. I just realized you get little cards in the box as well, which is very cute, and I think it sort of describes the little characters. Okay,
For real now? Let me eat my nuggets.
Just got home and I realized that I didn't end the vlog, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. I'll make sure to list and link all the places that I visited or any products that I mentioned in the description bar below, so you guys can check that out. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!